Make's new Exchange building for the University of Birmingham faces onto the city's civic heart, Centenary Square, a vibrant and busy place set to be the backdrop for the 2022 Commonwealth Games. Our design has restored and adapted the Grade 2 listed municipal bank into a multifunctional space for the university, adapting and upgrading its civic function. Fully open to the public, the Exchange is intended to act as a place to meet and share ideas, to bring the university into the heart of the city. The former banking hall on the ground floor has been converted into a new cafe and meeting space, with a new roof light above the coffered ceiling, drawing light into the heart of the hall. Combining heritage details with the modern design features, the space celebrates the history of the building, while looking to the future of the university and the city. To the south, the Exchange responds to a second public space, the new Bank Court. This quieter space is at the heart of Arena Central, also designed by Make, and home to banking headquarters and government buildings. The Exchange has a second public entrance facing onto Bank Court. Here we've designed a new elevation featuring a 3-storey, bronze-coloured metal portico to act as a modern interpretation of the front. It provides a contemporary frontage onto a new space, making sure this important heritage building continues to be a part of Birmingham's story.